Is your Infiniti Q50 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. For 2014 to 2019 Q50 models, the battery replacement process is straightforward and can save you money compared to dealership service. You'll typically need a CR 2025 3V lithium coin cell battery, check your owner's manual or the old battery to confirm, and a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open with your tool, being careful not to force it and crack the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Finally, snap the fob back together and test it by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your car. To ensure a successful replacement, avoid using metal tools that could short-circuit the internal components. Work on a non-conductive surface. Keep in mind that the battery life typically lasts 1 to 2 years with moderate use. Annual checks are recommended. Although newer cars are shifting to digital keys and rechargeable options, these older Q50 fobs will continue to need battery swaps. DIY guides and videos are available online if you need more visual instructions. Replacing your key fob battery yourself saves an average of $45 to $95 compared to dealership costs and has a high success rate.